Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can wipe cache partition on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G through the recovery mode. So in order to access the recovery mode, first we need to use the USB cable and plug our device to PC. So let me quickly do that. There we go. And like I said, you need to use your computer, so either PC or laptop for this. And now we need to power off our device, so you can swipe twice, then go to the power menu and then choose power off. Once the device is off, you want to press and hold the power button and the volume up button. You want to press and hold it until you see the Samsung logo. So keep holding it, and now we can release it. Once you see the Samsung logo, you want to release the buttons. Now over here we should open the recovery mode, and here we need to go down by using the volume down button, and here we'll find the wipe cache partition, and now we need to confirm this by using the power button. So press the power button and then you want to confirm that you want to do that. So once again use volume down button in order to go down, and then confirm by using the power button. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.